We're hearing of people going back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why I said earlier, forgiveness. One of the best ways to prepare for the day that you're going to meet with Allah. Because when you die, all your deeds, you'll see them in front of you. يَوْمَ تَجِدُ كُلُّ نَفْسٍ مَا عَمِلَتْ مِنْ خَيْرٍ مُحْضَرًا. On that day, every soul shall see all the deeds, the good deeds that it has done present in front of them. وَمَا عَمِلَتْ مِن سُوءٍ تَوَدُّ لَوْ أَنَّ بَيْنَهَا وَبَيْنَهُ أَمَدًا بَعِيدًا. And the bad deeds as well will all be in front of the soul, and it will wish that there was a large gap between it and those sins. That's why when we are starting salah, one of the du'as of istiftah, one of the supplications that you are able to make is Allahumma ba'id bayni wa bayna khatayaya kama ba'adta bayna al-mashriqi wal-maghrib. Oh Allah, create a distance between me and my sins equivalent to that of the east from the west. You know the distance east from the west? What you mean is, oh Allah, just create a huge distance between me and the sins I've committed. I don't want to be associated with these sins. You know, when a person